Okay, we're ready to go on our field trip. We will meet Amy, the owner of the restaurant we will be creating a website for, get a sense of what she wants in a website, and maybe even get lucky and interview some customers to get a unique customer perspective about the restaurant. Let's go. When you get right down to it, this meeting is all about setting expectations. Whether it's expectations about what the client is expecting from us or our expectations of what the client is going to provide. So if we can achieve that of communicating those expectations very clearly, we've done our job. Seriously, how many computer science courses do you have that take you on a field trip, huh? Taking your job, Guy Fieri.
How can I help you?
I come to this restaurant very often, usually about once a month or twice a month.
I would come here once a month with my wife.
I always enjoy the atmosphere and I enjoy the service.
Well, I like the fact that it's kosher and the fact that the food is very good all the time and consistently good. So that's why I like to come to this restaurant.
You know, me personally, I always eat sesame chicken. That's my favorite dish.
And I can also, when I don't finish, which is ample portions, I can take home. It tastes good. I mean, that's why I like it. It's the type of thing which I expect a good Chinese dish to have.
I love the chicken itself. I just love the way it's made. I enjoy it. Yeah.
Have you ever heard of Johns Hopkins Whiting School of Engineering?
Of course.
Do you think it's a good school?
It's absolutely a good school.
The food is exceptional and I know it's Zagat rated, so I can always trust that the food is going to be fresh and ready to eat, and I always enjoy it.
Joseph Rosenblatt, class of 1964, Hopkins.
Oh, so you actually went to Hopkins?
Yep.
Hello.
Hi.
Ready for our meeting?
Sure, yes.
So if you had to, do a little self-criticism, is there anything about the restaurant you would want to improve?
Yes, to get a better website.
Get a better website. That's a very good answer.
Thank you.
Okay, so what I did was I prepared a few websites for you to look at. And what I want you to do is I pulled them up on this iPad here. What I want you to do is take a look at them and let me know. These are all sites of Chinese restaurants. And take a look and see if you like any of them, and if you want your website to be kind of similar or something like that.
Sure.
And you could scroll back and forth over here and take a look. And if you do like it, like what do you like about it? What appeals to you about that website? Or what doesn't? What do you not want it on that website? What do you like about it?
The colors.
You like the colors? You like the colors?
Very clear,
You like the fact that it's clean, looking very clean? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the icon are very, very user-friendly.
User-friendly, looks very user-friendly to you? Okay, so this site looks very user-friendly to you, okay.
Yeah.
And it looks clean and
Very practical.
very practical, okay. Very good, very good. So this is the type of website you like. Okay, that's good. Is this something like, obviously we're not going to do these colors for your website because your website is going to be more with the
Of
colors of the
course, I
restaurant.
mean, I understand.
But you like the setup, right?
Yes.
So we're going to have some decisions to make as we go and develop the website. Where to put things, stuff like that. Can you designate one person who is going to be responsible for all decisions regarding this project? And who would that person be?
It'll be me.
It'd be you, so you'll be deciding. So and you'll be pretty much available, so we could call you, and if there's something going on that, it shouldn't be like a 2-week
fine.
type of, wait before we hear of an answer if we need something for, for a decision.
Yeah,
So you'll be able to
no
decide it.
problem.
Oh, okay, great. Okay, very good. So that we could do that. So let me explain to you like a couple of what the process is going to be like. Basically, we're going to create a mock-up of the website, not the real website, just a mock-up, like a drawing of the website. And we're going to show it to you and basically see if you approve the way it's going. And what we'll give you three revisions, three times that you could update the thing and say, I want something different a little bit. And after that, then you will try to finalize it. So you're okay with that? You're okay with that type of setup? Okay, great.
fine.
Okay. You saw the pictures on that website and you really like the fact that there's pictures on there, right?
Yes.
So pictures that, usually, especially on a website like this, are very important. would you be able to commit to providing the entire menu of the restaurant so we could come and bring a photographer and actually take a picture of every single item on the menu? Would you be okay with doing that?
Yeah, as long as still be kosher menu. It's fine.
It's still a kosher menu. You'll still be a kosher menu, yes. Absolutely. Okay, so very good. So we'll bring a photographer in, and then you'll basically have to cook every single item on the menu, and we'll bring it out, and the photographer will take a
Sure.
picture of it.
That's
Okay.
fine.
Okay, excellent. Very good. So this is a kosher restaurant, is that correct?
Yes.
Kosher
That
restaurant.
kosher.
And so what does that, in terms of cooking and in terms of dealing with stuff, what does that mean for you?
We have a mashgiach here.
Do you have
You know,
you're basically somebody who's a supervisor?
Yeah. Nowadays, people start, making a lot of ingredients with the kosher, logo.
Uh-huh.
That means we have a lot of choices.
So we spoke to quite a number of customers that you have here, and not everybody wanted to be on camera, but everybody loves your food.
Thank you.
Do you like Chinese food yourself?
Of course.
Do you eat all the Chinese food a lot?
Of course.
Oh, really? Okay. So
I'm a
you're not
Chinese
sick of it.
people.
So you're not sick of it?
No, not at all.
No, so you
No,
eat it
no,
every
no.
even though you see it every day in the restaurant, you're not sick of it.
Yeah. No, not at all.
Okay,
You will
great.
never get tired of Chinese food.
This restaurant is actually pretty cozy, and it's small,
Thank you.
but at the same time, it feels kind of cozy. It's relaxing, right? Is
Thank
that is
you.
that kind of the feel you're trying to go for
Yeah.
on purpose? Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're ready to leave the restaurant and start designing and coding our website. But before we do, one of the most important rules is don't ever code on an empty stomach. Oh, I know you're really anxious to start coding the website, but I'm a little busy, so I'll be right back. We'll do the website after this. Forgot about my line was.
I'm gonna put this in bloopers. Okay, your line was. What's it
I don't know
called?
why I got into computers. Food tasting seems like a much better job. Anyway. Okay, one second. So,
Yeah.
you do it like this? It's hard to do it this way.
Just 2 fingers.
2 fingers.
Instead of 10 fingers.
2 fingers instead of 10 fingers?
Yes. Okay.
Just hold it with 2 fingers.
Yeah.
Like this? This is very hard.
Put the index finger here, in the middle.
Put the middle finger in between
Yeah,
those 2 fingers?
uh-huh.
Like this?
Yeah. And then try to.
And then you have to grab it like that?
Yeah, exactly. You're good. Uh huh. Yeah. Oh,
Let me ask you a question. Do you have a fork?
this is much better than a fork.
This is much better than a
Yeah.
fork?
Can you pick up a rice with a fork?
No, but
Can
I can
you?
do it with a spoon.
See, I can pick up rice with a chopstick.
You can pick up rice with a chopstick. Let's see it. Wow. That's some skill.
Yes,
Let's see if I can do it. I'm going to pick up a carrot. It's much bigger
Much
than that.
better. Good job.
Oh, wow. Look
There
at
you
this.
go.
Look at this. I'm learning. This is incredible. Okay. Next, I'm going to do the rice. Ready?
Uh huh. Good.
Oh, my goodness.
Good job.
Now, at the
See?
same time, I have to eat this, right? So it's very
Yeah.
hard to balance and eat at the same time.
Eat it.
Take some skill.
Good job. There you go.
Tastes much better from the
See?
chopsticks.
You're a good student.